Forest Volzora rumors diarrhea of laughter by the fire. A cold winter night. The surroundings are covered in fog. Everyone is sitting in a circle around the fire. The fire is burning brightly. Everyone is sitting with their blankets on, but they are laughing and sweating. Lion King Shinghir Mook. Hey forest dwellers, listen everyone, I got news that Volzora will enter this forest tonight. Do you know what Volzora is? He walks in the dark of the night in such a way that his footsteps are not heard, but his stomach makes a loud noise, gont gont, belch belch, foot foot. Hehehehehe. Can you imagine, if I were to become a king and suddenly hear someone sitting behind my throne doing a foot concert, would I be able to remain king? Ehehehehe. My teeth are chattering in the cold in winter. I'm afraid that Volzora will take my crown and make the toilet flush. Then instead of being a king, I would become Flush Ka Badshah. Hehehehehe. Fox Sheal. Rajam Shai, your fear is right, but I have received even stranger news. The Volzora dances by holding the tail of the one who has a tail. Once I start dancing, no one can stop me. Just think, I am a fox, my tail is a whole flute, once the Volzora starts twirling it, I will become a disco light. Ha ha. Then the monkey will say, dance dance fox. The donkey will stand behind and buy tickets, those who want to see, the fox's tail dances Doshtika. Ehehehehe. It may be cold in winter, but the story of the Volzora's tail is warming my body. Donkey. Hee. I heard that the Volzora turns the neck of the one who gets it. If I say, he, then it will become, duck. I will change from a donkey to a duck and start laying eggs. Hehehehe. Can you imagine, if I don't lay eggs, the Lion King will run after me, give me these eggs, if you don't lay eggs, I will beat you with a scepter. The fox will stand up and laugh, the monkey will make a video, leave egg factory. Ehehehehe. My nose froze in the winter, but now my nose is dripping with tears while laughing, bubbling in the fog. Elephant Hathi. Listen to the story about my trunk. The elephants are said to play drums inside my trunk. If my trunk sounds, dhak chudak, then everyone will think I'm not an elephant, I'm a band party. Ehehehehe. Just think, if I sit by the fire in winter and play my trunk, the donkeys will dance, the foxes will sing, the monkeys will jump, and the king will say with a serious face, the royal band is on. Ehehehehe. If the sound of a toilet comes out of my trunk, then I'll start having diarrhea of laughter. Monkey Badur. This news is the most hilarious to me. Volzora makes TikToks of animals climbing trees. If I jump while eating a banana, Volzora will make a video, monkey viral chobbish. Then everyone will comment, brother, great jump, I support. Even the king might secretly comment, give me a collab. Hehehehe. Just imagine, the Lion King wants a collab, the donkey is selling eggs, the elephant is playing with his trunk, and I become a monkey and the official editor of Volzora. Ehehehehe. Crow Eagle. Crow. I heard the news straight from the sky. The Volzora remixes the crow's call and makes it a DJ. If I say, crow, it will play, crow DJ mix, dham. Ehehehehe. Then everyone will get up and start dancing around the fire. The elephant will shake its belly, the donkey will wag its tail, the fox will break dance. The king will take off his crown and say, I am no longer the king, I am DJ Lion. Ehehehehe. The forest will become a picnic on a winter night just because of this crow's call. Goat Chagol. B. I heard that the Volzora goes crazy when they hear the call of the goat. If I keep calling, B, then the Volzora will dance and step on its own tail and fall. Ehehehehe. Then I will become a celebrity goat, it will be uploaded on YouTube. Voljora falls down when the goat dances BB. Everyone is shivering in the winter, I have become warm by laughing, now it seems that the Voljora will run away from my body. Everyone sits around the fire and laughs hehehehehe. The donkey is rolling on the ground while laughing, water is coming out of the elephant's trunk, the monkey is jumping and falling into the fire, the fox is holding his stomach with a blanket, the Lion King is laughing and crying with a serious face. In the end, everyone says, whether the Voljora come or not, the biggest laughter diarrhea in the forest has begun just sitting by the fire on this winter night.